Welcome to WordPress Hub. Today, I'll guide you step by step on building your very first WordPress website using Elementor, the easiest website builder plugin. First, you will need a hosting and a domain name. Once that's set up, log into your WordPress dashboard, your website's control center. Go to Appearance, then Themes. Click Add New and search for Astra, a lightweight, fast, free theme perfect for beginners. Install and activate it. Next, let's install Elementor, the drag and drop page builder that makes designing easy. From Plugins, click Add New, search for Elementor, then install and activate the free version. For a quick start, install the Starter Templates plugin. This lets you import pre-designed website templates. Choose a free Elementor template that suits your niche and import it. This gives your site a professional look instantly. Now, let's customize your homepage. Click Edit with Elementor on your homepage. You can click on any text or image to edit it directly. Change titles to reflect your brand, update images, and add buttons with clear calls to action. Use the left panel to drag widgets like headings, text blocks, images, and buttons onto the page. Adjust colors and fonts to fit your brand style. Your website needs a few essential pages. Add new pages for About, Services, and Contact. Open each page with Elementor and customize the content. For the contact page, add a contact form using a free plugin like WP Forms. Next, go to Appearance. Menus to create and manage your site's navigation. Add your newly created pages to the menu for easy browsing. Most users visit websites on mobile, so make sure your site looks great on all devices. In Elementor, toggle responsive mode and preview your site on tablet and mobile sizes. Before launching, check your site's title and tagline in Settings General. When everything looks good, hit Publish on your pages and enjoy your new website live to the world. Congrats on building your first WordPress website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beginner-friendly WordPress tips. Thanks for watching.